Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change the plan in Hathway Broadband. First, log into Hathway Self-Care Portal on www.hathway.com. Then, go to My Dashboard in the left menu bar. After that, click on View More under Current Plan. Then click on the Renew option in the top left hand corner. Now check the total renewal amount. Select your preferred payment gateway. After that, click on Proceed to Payment. You will be redirected to the payment page. To upgrade your renewal plan, log into Hathway Self-Care Portal on www.hathway.com. Then go to My Dashboard in the left menu bar. Click on View More under Current Plan. Now click on the Upgrade option in the top left hand corner. You will get the best suited plan towards upgrading your account. Then select your preferred plan and click on Proceed. Check the total renewal amount. Now select your preferred payment gateway. Click on Proceed to Payment. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.